Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown, what Nengi was caught doing in HOH bed last night. Big Brother Naija lockdown, new head of house, Ozo and his deputy Nengi were caught on camera last night, busy demarcating the HOH bed. In the viral video clip, Nengi could be seen using a pillow to create a demarcation between herself and Ozo in order to avoid body contact. Recall that Ozo won the head of house challenge last night and announced Nengi as his deputy. The head of house rule mandates the winner to choose a housemate of the opposite sex as deputy. Though both housemates are friends and are always seen together in different locations in the house, Nengi had made it clear that she wouldn't want to date any housemate, not even Ozo. But Ozo is still trying and working hard to see if she could change her mind. The last time Ozo won the head of house, he chose Dorothy as his deputy, a decision that stirred reactions among housemates and viewers. So guys, what do you think will be the outcome of Ozo and Nengi sharing a bed together? This is just the first night they've had in the HH lounge, and they still have 6 more nights to spend together.